Alright, aviation fanatics, get ready to have your minds blown. Ever wondered how planes break the sound barrier? It's all about aerodynamics. Picture this, a plane speeding through the air, creating pressure waves. As it nears the speed of sound, those waves compress into a massive shock wave, a sonic boom. Breaking the sound barrier isn't easy. Supersonic planes like the Concorde, with its sleek needle nose and delta wings, are built to slice through the air like a bullet. And here's the future. Scientists are working on hypersonic aircraft that could travel even faster. Want more incredible insights into supersonic flight? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more aviation adventures.